In this video, I am going to tell you how to deploy Lovable project to Vercel through GitHub repository. So watch this video till the end to know how to do it. So first of all, you need to create an account on lovable.dev and you need to create a project. If you do not know how to create a project, you can watch my previous videos. I have so many videos on Lovable. So this is the project which I have made regarding resume of people who can want to make their resume better. So this project look like this. This is a web project. You can see the preview. This is website look like this. So I want to now deploy it to Vercel using GitHub. So first of all, I need to add my files to GitHub. So how to connect it GitHub? Let me show you. So you need to click on this option, more option. Just tap on this. There's an option of connection. You just need to click on this connection and click on all connectors. In search box, you need to type GitHub. Click on this option GitHub, and you can sync the code and upload it to GitHub. Click on this option. So it has created a repository for me. This is on GitHub, resume on laser. So let me my GitHub now. So this is a repository it has created now on GitHub. So I want to first of all, you need to make sure it will be private. You need to make it public. So make this repository public, then only you will be able to deploy it on Vercel. So now let me go to my Vercel account, log into a Vercel account. So after logging into your Vercel account, you need to click on this option at the top. So add new option is showing, just tap on this, click on project option, and herein you need to first, if you're doing it first time, you need to connect your GitHub. So I have already connected my GitHub. So you can see all my repository is showing. So I want to deploy this one, resume on laser. So just need to click on this import option and you can type the project name here. So I have simply written better resume. So I have simply written like this, better resume, and you can scroll down at the bottom. You can see there's an option of deploy. Just click on deploy. Within a few seconds or minute, it will deploy everything to Vercel and create a new. So you can see now it is showing like, congratulations, you have deployed a new project. So this is deployed now. You can add a custom domain as well if you want to add a custom domain. Otherwise, you can click on continue to dashboard. So you can see here it is showing on my vercel.app. So it is deployed and working properly fine, like it was working on Lovable. And one more thing, this Lovable logo is also removed. So I hope friends, now you will be able to do it. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and keep watching my such videos. Bye bye friends.